A very good morning, all my dear students. Hope that you all are well. Okay, so in today's computer class, I hope you all have understood the topic, that is query. This is chapter 4th of your book, in which we will learn that how to create queries in MS Access. But before that, you need to understand what is the meaning of query in MS Access, because you all knows that MS Access is a relational database management software in which we create databases. We store huge amount of information in our databases. So what is the use of queries here? See, in general terms, in normal terms, query means asking a question, any query. Okay, if you have any doubt anywhere, so you ask queries from your teacher, from your parents and your friends. But in case of database, the queries, the meaning is same. Okay, the meaning of queries is same, means asking a question from database. Okay, now how the database responds? It responds in the form of table. Okay, now see, whenever we store data in database, so we always need to analyze the data. Time to time we need to access data on the basis of some conditions according to our requirements. Okay, suppose I'm giving you an example. Suppose you have a database in which you have records of class 8th, you have records of class 9th and class 10th. Okay, you have records of all the classes. But now what you want to extract the records of students of class 8th and 9th only. And one more condition is there, that the list of students of class 8th and 9th who belongs to Chhatarpur or who belongs to Jhansi, means any one city. So it's a kind of a question which you are asking from database. You want to access or extract that data from your database. You know that this data is stored in your database, but apart from that data, there is a huge amount of data which you have stored. Okay, but there's a condition, you don't want to see the whole data, you want to see the data of class 9th and 10th students who lives in Jhansi. Okay, so here you need a query, you need to put a query to database. Normally for any doubt you can ask queries, but here in database you have to create queries. You all knows it very well that in databases we store data in the form of table. Okay, data is organized in the form of table. So whenever you put any query to the database, it gives you result in the form of table, means the way you store the data, in the same way you get the data. Okay, so for creating query, there are two types. You can create query on a single table, you can create query on multiple tables. Now if the first condition is there, you want to create query on a single table, okay, then easily you can create. But if you want to create query on multiple tables, so for that you have to make relationship between the tables. Okay, how to create relationship in Access, that is more important. Okay, so before telling you that how to create a query, first of all I would like to explain you about setting relationship between tables in Access. Okay, I hope the meaning of query is clear to you. Okay, setting relationship between tables. See class, if you remember, I explained you the concept of primary key. Okay, primary key, it refers to a special key which you create in a table, and this field cannot contain duplicate values and you can't leave that field blank. Okay, basically this primary key uniquely identifies the records in your table, like student roll numbers or ID. Okay, so the primary key uniquely identifies the record. Okay, for creating relationship between tables, you have to create a primary key in a table. It is essential. And second, in this table with you want to link the tables among which you want to relationship, you have to keep a field common. Like you all can see these two tables here. You can see in first table we have field roll number. Okay, in first field we have roll number, father's name, class, address and city. And in second table we have, this is the list of student, and this table is marks. Okay, but wait, again I am showing you. The first table name is students. Okay, and second table name is marks. In first student table we have student roll number, father's name, class, address, city. In marks table we have roll number, percentage and grade. So which field is common there? This roll number field is common. So what I mean to say is that if you want to access Nisha's marks or percentage or grade, so for that you have to make relationship between student and marks table. For that, the important thing is you have to take a common field in these two tables. Basically, the primary key field is taken common in the second table. Like roll number is the primary key here, so same field you have to take in the second table. Okay, after doing this, for making relationship, what you need to do, just drag this primary key field roll number and drop it on the second table. As you will drag and drop it, so you can see a line will be formed in these tables. You can see here. Okay, this line shows that the relationship between these two tables has been created, and you can see primary key sign is there and same sign is there as well. Okay, so in this way you can create relationship between tables. Okay, in the next video I will show you practical of creating queries. Okay, till then do practice of the same and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.